Ripple joins the channel today, and it arrives carrying the tightest double bottom I have measured on any chart in this series. One technical note first, because it changes everything that follows. This is the first asset here that does not trade in cents, and at 2 decimal places the whole month collapses into about 30 distinct prices. At 4 decimals it resolves into nearly 700, and the structure appears. That is not a detail. Every measurement in this video exists only because the data carries enough places to hold it. Now start with the advance itself, from 1.0092 4 weeks ago, up to 1.18438 days later, a gain of just over 17%, and the reference every level in this video is measured from. Everything since has been the correction of that advance, and that correction ended twice, on almost exactly the same price. It is not one bottom, it is two. The first touch was 1.0836, the second was 1.085. 14 ticks apart, 6 days apart, with a rally to 1.1646 in between. So these are two separate tests and not one long base. Now place them. The advance ran 17.5 cents. The halfway retracement of it sits at 1.0968 and the golden one at 1.0761. The double bottom sits between the two. That is the pocket a correction is expected to hold, and this one held it twice without ever closing through either edge. 2 tests, 6 days apart, and the same answer both times. The turn since has been orderly rather than violent. Each low is higher than the one before it. 1.085, then 1.0855, then 1.0955. And the bounce has stopped somewhere precise. The first retracement of the advance sits at 1.1174. The high so far is 1.1167, which is 7 ticks under it. That is the level to clear. Through it, the correction is likely finished and 1.1646 becomes the reference above. Below 1.0836 the double bottom fails, and the golden retracement at 1.0761 opens underneath. So 2 touches 14 ticks apart, one level sitting 7 ticks overhead, and a golden pocket that has now held on 2 separate tests. Educational analysis, not advice. More Ripple when that level goes.